Gazed out at the horizon, feeling a pull towards something greater? A yearning for a life filled with meaning and purpose? You're not alone. Countless souls wander through existence, searching for that elusive why. But what if we told you that your purpose isn't a distant star, but a hidden treasure buried deep within you, waiting to be unearthed? Imagine standing at the precipice of a thrilling adventure. A journey of self-discovery that promises to illuminate your path and ignite your passion. This isn't just about finding your thing. It's about aligning your soul with your mission. Are you ready to embark on this transformative expedition? Let's unlock the secrets of your heart and mind. Together, we'll navigate the labyrinth of self-reflection, identify your core values, and ignite the spark of your passions. We'll shatter limiting beliefs, set audacious goals, and empower you to take courageous steps. Your purpose isn't a destination, it's a dynamic compass guiding you through life's ever-changing terrain. Are you ready to discover your true north? Let's set sail together. Point 1. Self-reflection. Understanding yourself is the cornerstone of discovering your life's purpose. Explore your passions, values, strengths, and weaknesses. Delve into your childhood dreams and aspirations. Ask yourself, what makes me come alive? What am I naturally good at? What do I stand for? What are my non-negotiables? Take time to journal, meditate, and reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Point 2. Identify your values. What truly matters to you? Your values are your compass, guiding you towards a fulfilling life. Aligning your actions with your core beliefs will lead to a sense of purpose and direction. Ask yourself, what do I value most in life? What do I stand for? What do I believe in? What kind of person do I want to be? Identify your top values and write them down. Point 3. Explore your interests. What ignites your curiosity? What activities make time fly? Your interests hold clues to your passions. Explore new hobbies, attend workshops, and talk to people in industries that fascinate you. Ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing in my free time? What activities make me feel most engaged? What topics do I find myself reading about or exploring? Point 4. Overcome limiting beliefs. Negative thoughts can hinder your progress and obscure your purpose. Challenge limiting beliefs and embrace a growth mindset. Ask yourself, what negative self-talk do I need to overcome? What fears or doubts hold me back? What would I attempt if I knew I couldn't fail? Practice self-compassion, reframe negative thoughts, and focus on solutions. Point 5. Set clear goals. Having a clear direction is essential to discovering your life's purpose. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve in the next 6 to 12 months? What steps can I take to get there? What resources do I need? Write down your goals and track your progress. Point 6. Take action. Knowledge without action is futile. Start small, celebrate successes, and learn from setbacks. Ask yourself, what one step can I take today to move closer to my goal? What skills or knowledge do I need to acquire? What support system do I need to put in place? Take consistent action towards your goals. Point 7. Continuous growth. Personal growth is a lifelong journey. Stay curious, seek new experiences, and adapt to change. Ask yourself, what new skills or knowledge do I need to acquire? What challenges do I need to overcome? What opportunities do I need to seize? Embrace lifelong learning, and stay open to new experiences. Discovering your life's purpose is not about finding a perfect answer, but embarking on a meaningful quest. It's about aligning your passions, values, and actions to create a life that truly resonates with you. Remember, your purpose is a dynamic journey, not a fixed destination. Embrace the exploration, trust your intuition, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. As you continue on this journey of self-discovery, remember that your purpose will evolve and unfold over time. Be patient, kind, and compassionate with yourself. Celebrate your triumphs, learn from your setbacks, and stay true to your core values. And when the winds of doubt or fear arise, recall the wisdom of your heart and the spark of your passions. For in the end, your purpose is not something you find, but something that finds you when you least expect it, in the most unexpected ways. Keep shining, and the light of your purpose will guide you home. Thanks for joining me on this transformative journey. If you found value in these steps, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content to help you unlock your full potential. Don't forget to take the first step today and start living the life you've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.